All right, so Jim Cramer was asked on TheStreet.com, a site that was founded by Jim Cramer himself, which stocks he thinks would run if Biden were to win the presidency. Check it out.
Jim, what is the one stock that investors need to add to their portfolio if they're leaning towards a Biden victory?
Biden victory, you got to buy First Solar. These are companies, the solar companies are going to have such a knee-jerk buy because he likes solar so much. It really doesn't matter. I mean, you just buy it today and sell it if you think Biden's going to win. I'm not confident on anything. After 2016, I'm out of that game. But I can tell you that that's what you would buy.
All right, so in this video, we're going to look at First Solar, and we're also going to look at a stock that was mentioned in the article, but not in the video, called gnrc Holdings, and we're also going to look at TAN, the solar ETF. So let's go ahead and check out the stock charts of these three stocks to see if Jim Cramer was right. All right, so here we go. First Solar, a solar stock that Jim Cramer has recommended that will go up with Biden's presidency. So let's go ahead and check it out. Just kind of give it a quick overall look at what's going on here. So I got the weekly up, and you just see I drew a trend line, and for the most part, it's solid on the weekly trend line, except for that dip right there, but it quickly made it up. It actually rejected that move down in no time and went right back up and actually made a new high. At the high just last week, a couple of weeks ago, from here, from the very top to the bottom, this thing sustained a 21% correction, and right now it's taken half of that back. So maybe this is the short-term correction we need to get into the stock. But let's go ahead and pull up a monthly chart and see if we can see more. And what I see, I like. I actually love this multi-year consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? A 8-year consolidation. Let me draw that line one more time. Of doing nothing, right? 8 years of just going up, down, up, down. It was actually the perfect stock to trade if you like trading channels, because there it is. It hits the bottom, it's time to buy it. Hits the top, it's time to sell it. It's buy, sell, buy. No sell. We actually have a breakout going on right at the top of the range. So I think this is the perfect time to buy. It's almost like the stock knew that Biden was going to win presidency. So I like First Solar a lot. I actually thought this stock was, I thought we lost it. I thought it done ran and we missed the bus, but no, the bus is just now getting ready to board and we're getting ready to leave the station. So yes, I do like First Solar, and one way I would probably play it, I don't know, maybe long-term calls, leaps, or just keep selling put spreads below the price action. Now, the next stock we want to look at, it was actually in the article, and it was gnrc Holdings, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. gnrc Holdings, and you can see the monthly is incredible. But let's go ahead and start with the weekly. There's nothing wrong here besides the thing is going to the moon. So if you want to go to the moon, this is the stock to get into. You see, you have the main trend line, the primary, and then it started a secondary trend line. So the thing is elevating and wants to go further up to the moon, or to the moon faster, right? So it's all good. It's all good. It's kind of not my thing just because I feel it missed the station. We saw what happened with First Solar. It actually sustained a 20% correction and then started going up again. So this could kind of do the same. Not saying it's going to, but it's kind of, look at it, right? It's kind of look like we missed it. So yes, I kind of like it. I think it more confirms that this space is where you want to be. The stocks are already, they're gone. They're gone without Biden. So now that Biden's up in there, maybe they'll even go even further. Who knows where the top is, but it's at an all-time high. There's no resistance. The stock can go actually a lot higher, but it's just kind of not my cup of tea. Now, the last thing I want to look at is TAN. TAN is the actual ETF that comprises of a lot of solar stocks. If we go to ETF.com, we can see the holdings that's actually in the TAN ETF. In Phase Energy, Solar Edge, here's First Solar, 7.24%, and a whole bunch of other stocks that I can't even pronounce. But let's go ahead and look at the ETF itself and see what this thing is doing. So straight up, right, we have a primary trend line, and it looks like it wants to go ahead and start a secondary trend line, and who knows, maybe a tertiary. So it's basically confirming the space for sure. The space is confirmed all the way back since the March low. This thing has been on fire. It's actually a sector that I missed. And then if you pull up the monthly, I like it kind of even more. It kind of looks just like First Solar. Let me go ahead and clear this out. And you can see the multi-year breakout that this thing is finally having. It was consolidating all of these years just like First Solar, and finally coming up out of there. And it's a tan is the way to go. And I've actually been looking at this for the last week or so, but waiting for that little pullback, and I kind of got a little, I don't know, I missed it. I just feel like it's not happening. When you look at the weekly, here is your pullback. The new pullback is sideways. So, hey, it's not coming down. Look at the volume coming in. Look at how when they try to sell it off, it's nowhere near the volume when they was trying to buy it. So I actually like it. And to tell you the truth, this is probably a good time to get in tan. I have a feeling now that Biden is confirmed to be the president, I have a feeling Monday, these things are going to be rip roaring. So I can't really tell you to get in, but you're going to have to make up your own mind. But yes, these stocks, First Solar, Generic Holdings, and TAN, the solar ETF, is confirmed. This is the place you want to be, and it probably has multi-years to go, right? A multi-year run, because these things are finally breaking out of a long consolidation. Look at that multi-year breakout. I love it. Look at the volume. The volume is like, boom, I'm out of here. So those are the kind of stocks I like. So yes, I do agree with Jim Cramer, and so do the charts. I mean, First Solar is where you want to be, man. It's like a multi-year breakout. Generac Holdings, the TAN ETF, Solar. Solar is the place probably for years to come, at least as long as the Biden presidency is in effect. But yes, these stocks are just breaking out, so I need to look at it to decide how I want to play it and how I want to get in there and make my move to try to make money off of this sector. So thanks for watching, man. Hey, like this video, subscribe. I need you to subscribe. Please subscribe. I sound like Keith Sweat back in the day. Baby, give me that All right, so tell me what you're thinking. First of all, I need you to like this video, and I need you to subscribe, because that's how you're gonna get more content just like this. And thanks for watching. Let me know if you're playing the solar ETF, the solar space in general, and let me know if you made any gains already. Let me know how you feel about it, if you think Jim Cramer is right for us to jump into this space. I'm Dre Trades on Twitter, Dre Trades on Instagram, Dre Trades 2 right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace.